For Short Vlog Friday, we're going to show you all the new merch for the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. It's located inside the Creation Shop as well as after the actual ride itself. So they have a shirt for 30 for kids. Yeah, it's 4 people. This is cute.
So you and Danny are going to ride
13. They have Star Blaster, a little backpack. They have shirts, a hat for 30. Another shirt. $30 for this fanny pack.
This is a Marvel one.
Yep, spaceship, and it has Guardian, so it's kind of like a combined thing. They have mugs. Yeah. Photo frame.
Of the Galaxy.
Notebook, yeah.
It'd be good for like a...
Just a coaster.
Let's
set.
see inside the...
Okay.
Ooh.
Good job. So look, it's 20.
This is a dog bowl.
No, it's a coaster. Another coffee mug. They have a fleece rose cute soft. They have a bottle for Guardians. Look at this sign. I love this sign. It's 150 though. Nova Corps with the Guardians tank top. Fanny pack still. I like that.
Yeah.
It's like a little sweater for 50. I like that. It's a bottle. It looks nice.
It looks so nice.
Yeah, and it has a
down
symbol.
here.
How much is it? It is 28.
Then it looks...
Yeah, I thought so. These are nice, but they're $100. One of these days I'll have to get Rick one because he's got the mask. And this shirt is 45. Nova Corps bag. Another hat. I like this style of hat, but I painted my own today. 28. Nova Corps. They have a kids one too, which they sell the costumes sometimes. And this is 80 kids. Guardians hat is 30. Shirt for kids. They have the mask too. This thing is kind of heavy.
Why? We're gonna wear it.
And it's $50. Aw, that's cute, little Groot. How much is that? We'll put it upside down. Okay, 25. I do like this bag. That is 40. Guardian shirt. Yeah, for babies. Aw, Groot. It's a bunch of figures.
Baby, toddler, teenager, adult.
Yep. It's got his stages. They got a magnet set. And this shirt here was 30. Some sort of one kit. Oh, magnet set. I love it. And look, I am Groot. That's cute. That is 25. Yeah, it's like it's in your pocket. Oh, there's this one too. It's like a bubble blower. That's 35 for that shirt. They have, oh, it's a phone case. I thought that was a wallet. $30. Oh, $30 for the bubbles. I am Groot mug. Aw, that's cute. I like the mug. Oh, it's like a little spoon or something. Yeah, it's a spoon that goes around it. 700 jumps. This is a fun cup. Plastic for 15. Warning, maximum 50 jump. $10 for Rocket and Groot.
One of those.
Are they squeeze?
Is... No, it's not.
They squeeze them.
Oh, there is.
What baby grill?
Let me see. Lost his eyeball. And this jacket. This is 47 in the back of that.
Go like this.
Okay, so they have low key here, which we haven't been on the ride yet, so I'm wondering the correlation. But $30 for that. And 40 for that shirt. They have die-cast blaster, the Star, it's called the Star Blaster, for 15. Yeah, that's Star-Lord's ship from Milano. I think this is just the section. I think that is it. Oh, I like the tape up there. I like the tape and the Groot. They have this shirt. I think I just saw that. That's 40. I like this look. Infinity Stones. I think this has to do with the ride.
Yes.
But it does feel cheap when I picked it up. It seems like $40. This is cool, but it's very, yeah, I like that. That's the soap dispenser. This is very flimsy for $40. They have another section over here. It looks like the same kind of stuff. I don't notice anything different. But I'm looking for a Star-Lord backpack.
Dad?
It's the eye with the time stone, space stone, reality stone. Loki's scepter, okay. Looks very expensive. I'm pretty pretty sure that's Gamora, right?
And how this feels.
Because she's green and she has the black outfit. But it's $60. Okay, maybe I'll have to paint one. I actually have some turning red stuff. Breaking back. That's cute. Transformation.
Well.
Yeah, that's a big one. Almost looks like Wallace and Gromit.
Wow.
Well, we got the 4. That's what we needed. 35. I wonder if like Target has something like that. We've already seen that. This is a new plush. We got the 4 little plushes before. They still have, it looks like Abby, Miriam. Okay. I don't see Priya. I like the slippers. And they have this we've already seen before, but this isn't going to be about it for this plush, or this movie. They're not going to probably add much more. Pens too.
Galaxy.
Yeah, we're going to get ready to go on it.
Mommy, come. Yay!
Here, be fine.
Here.
So I just see these two.
Stay epic and subscribe for more videos. Go to our channel and subscribe.
Subscribe.